Hello and welcome to Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Today's theme is personal development, and today's lesson is simple ways to keep your promises. The moment one commits oneself, then Providence moves too. All sorts of things occur to help one that would never otherwise have occurred. And that is a quote from Goethe. To accomplish anything hard, we need to break it into small chunks or a step by step plan and support ourselves to accomplish each step. Then we need to revise our plan to accommodate reality when we hit a wall. While we can create change at any time, there is something about the symbolic fresh start. Let's look at how we can work on keeping our promises to ourselves to change. 1. Start by supporting yourself. Seeds don't germinate on concrete. Flowers bloom when we support their growth by cultivating the soil and watering them. Intention will only take you so far. You have to address the needs and feelings that drive your behavior. You cannot support others if you cannot support yourself to some degree. 2. Pick one thing. Pick one change that feels doable and commit to that as step one. Maybe something like better self care, which will help you stay better regulated emotionally so you'll be more emotionally generous in all your relationships. Then put your other goals on your calendar as next steps to tackle 2 months from now. 3. Focus your desire. Why do you want this goal? What will be different in your life once you achieve it? Picture what your life will look like to whet your appetite and program your subconscious. Fierce desire plus intention equals the source and strength of your resolution. 4. Commit yourself. Once we set an intention, the universe lines up to support us. We marshal resources we never even suspected we had available from both inside and out. So be brave and go public. Tell your family your intention. It also helps to write your intention down and put it in your pocket. I am more and more able to regulate my own emotions, for example. Really, it's true. Research shows us that thoughts we write down and carry with us are more likely to blossom. Remember that there's no real deadline. The important thing is that you're headed in the right direction. Even 2 steps forward with 1 step back will eventually get you where you're going. Any goal worth achieving takes time and hard work. Sometimes the impossible just takes a little longer. You can start now, here, today. Think about it. Our keywords and phrases are commit, chunk, accomplish, germinate, cultivate, desire, marshal resources, regulate, and goal. Thank you very much for taking time today to go through Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.